What's up viewers, hope you are well. Today Self-Help Care presenting a new video about birth control pills. We all know about birth control pills, but many of us don't know the proper use of it. In this video I will show you how to use a birth control pill. So keep watching, be healthy and happy. This is our YouTube channel Self-Help Care. Press the bell icon to get notifications of our latest uploads. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's start our today's topic, how to use birth control pills. When you think of sex turn-ons, chances are one of the last things to pop into your mind is birth control. Condoms, diaphragms are a lot more likely to kill the mood than you put in it. But believe it or not, there are real ways you can use birth control to spice things up in bed. You can choose a birth control method that allows for spontaneity. An easy way to use birth control and keep the passion alive at the same time is to pick a type that allows for spontaneity. Like the pill, an UIT or a patch, birth control pills are sexy because they mean you can have sex anytime without worrying about pregnancy. You can incorporate into sex. Why not make using birth control part of the action in bed and actually incorporate it into foreplay and sex? Anything can be sexy if you look at it that way. Make using condom fun by integrating it into sex. She can put the condom on him in a playful way. It can become part of an elaborate fantasy. You can also make birth control the focus of a fantasy you and your guy dream up together, which can go a long way in turning it into a sexy part of being intimate. Couples can fantasize about having power over the birth control device, which is usually a very erotic experience. It can be used in role play. If you want to get even more daring, you could try a little role-playing game with your birth control. Take turns pretending to be a doctor and patient, or pharmacist and customer, or couple buying birth control in the drugstore and getting so excited that they tear each other's clothes off right then and there. You can pretend it isn't there. If risk-taking turns you and your guy on, one is for you. You could pretend you are having unprotected sex to bring out those fantasies of the forbidden that can be such a thrill in the bedroom. Thanks for watching. That's it for today. Give like and share if the video helps you. Don't forget to check our other videos also.